the Tronsmart Bang Mini. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Tronsmart Bang Mini Bluetooth portable speaker. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an audio cable. Just to highlight some features, this has Bluetooth 5.3 with SBC codec, LED lighting, 15 hours of playtime with LED off, and 5 hours with it on, 4 hours to fully charge. It has a 4000 mAh battery which can also be used to charge devices, 50 watt output, and it's Ipx6 Waterproof. The speaker has a compact size and it's definitely portable. You have the handle on the top with the branding, along with the NFC area on the right side. The branding is on the front as well, and the mesh grille is all around. You have the rubber feet on the bottom for stability. You have two mid-tweeters on the front, and then the passive radiators on the side, and two subwoofers on the back. The controls are on the top, and you have the power button, LED, playback controls, EQ button, stereo pairing, and the button to toggle the LEDs. The back, you have the USB-A port for charge out feature, aux in, TF/SD card slot, and a Type-C charging port. The speaker comes in at about 12 inches by 7 by 4.5 inches. The LEDs are on the side and you can toggle between breathing mode, circle light, and beat driven, or have it off. Now for some audio samples.
Dazzling like with diamonds in the light, glowing in the night like fireflies, blushing like the sunset in your eyes, floating like a halo paradise. Somehow you make all the
the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble, and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me.
The speaker packs a punch for its size. It feels solid all around and it's definitely portable. I like that you have the option to pair additional speakers if you want stereo sound. Battery life is respectable at 15 hours and the IPX rating should help in the outdoors. Now when it comes to sound, the bass is pronounced and punchy, but it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clean and clear as well. It definitely has an energetic sound to it. It can fill up a small room with no issues and definitely will work in an outdoor setting. The LED lights add a nice touch as it can give it a party-like feel when listening to music. So that is my review of the Tronsmart Bang Mini Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.